Oscar, how are you? What are you doing? GB, what are we doing here? Guys, GB's got this cordless.
Do you want me to sit down on it or just move on?
What are you doing, GB?
I'm hoovering.
Hoovering? Like this?
Yeah, look, the attachment's touching the floor.
Oh my god, this is crazy. Come on, show us.
Owie.
Show us. Show us how you're doing the hoover.
Walking.
My god, guys, this is a new invention. Look at this, guys. This is one genius guy in this whole wide world. Yes? He is cleaning the whole house, which is already clean. Is there? This is not clean. Reverse, reverse.
No need to reverse. There's no need to reverse. I've got the house too.
This one is there.
Let's actually do the morning. Max or loud one?
It's up to you.
You tell me. Because the house is very dirty today.
Oh no, it's clean today.
No.
It's shiny.
And then you say, I want you to try the vlog too.
Okay, should I try it? Okay, guys, GB wants me to try it.
It's the first time trying this.
1, 2, 3,
It's
tring.
easy for you.
It's easy.
You don't need to move the hoover.
Okay, I'm gonna clean the house with this. Let's do
Okay,
it,
bye-bye.
guys. It's easy because it's moving itself.
The times.
Oh,
You forgot to put on the times mode. Because give it the button. Because then it scratch the floor.
okay. So, guys, it's easy if I pull it like this. But the suction wise,
I put on low because this is what I do, guys. So when I use on carpets, I put on max. When I put it on tiles, I put it on low.
okay.
Because then the tiles is because carpets are very deep. You know? Should
Yeah.
I do or you want to do?
I'm doing it now. Let's see if it's cleaning. It is cleaning, yes.
Guys, this is actually last time. I used it for how many days?
Yeah.
Do you want to see the dirt, guys?
Wait, let me finish this cleaning first,
Okay.
and then we'll just do this. So this is following me.
It's got 2 bees. No, 1.
GB is in love with
It's
this,
got 4 bees actually.
and I'm thinking to buy the pink one. I might buy pink one.
Oh, you know it's not moving.
Oh no, wait, let me finish it off. No.
No, this is the wrong way. I don't do it like this anymore. So on the back here, can I stop the hoover, please? So on the give me that for a sec. So on the back,
Yeah.
there's 2 attachments.
Yes.
So which one do you want to use? I got another one. Let me go get that. It's just in the basket.
Okay. So which one do you have?
So which one do you want to use?
I don't mind. I
No, you
actually
don't.
like this because it's easier for me.
Okay, let's use this one. It's not easy. No. Oh, sorry. There's even another table you can fit on. Max or no?
I don't mind.
You just tell
Guys,
me.
I'm gonna do this now.
I don't want to put on Max then.
Max is better, yeah. Okay.
Like that. Let me show you the easier way. I'm going to time it. This is the easier way.
Okay.
You're doing it the wrong way.
Is it?
Yes.
Wait.
Wait,
Let me
let me
finish
show you
it.
how to do it.
The suction is good, guys.
Wait, mommy, you're doing it wrong.
No, the suction is good,
No,
guys.
guys, you have to
It's
do
clean.
You have to put it
No. It's gonna rip though. It's gonna rip. Don't do it too hard. No. It's very delicate.
slow.
Yeah, slowly. Slowly, please. I don't want you to rip the fabric. Thank you. It's done now.
Do it on line.
Slowly, gently. That's it. Thank
Now we're
you.
going to do the one which has the edges. I need to do the edges.
That's it. It's nice and clean.
Let's put the attachments down. leave this one here for now. And then, now we're gonna see the dirt. It's dirtier, like dirty, fully dirt.
You think so?
It's not clogged yet. Mommy, let's sit here. Come on, we're gonna sit here. That's
Guys.
on the floor. So, with the Hoover, we're gonna open the 2 clicks. Lift the motor. It's not actually heavy.
Is it?
Yeah, because it's cordless. Like, hold it. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy, but not that heavy.
Let's try to hold it without the battery.
Yeah, the battery is heavy, of course.
That's actually light.
Yeah, light, yeah.
Without the battery.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna even charge this because I'm not sure if it's fully charged.
How long does it take to charge?
Like,
2 hours, 1 hour?
you know how long it stays for? 50 hours.
Is it?
After 50 hours, it dies.
Okay, come on, let's see inside.
And you know,
Let's see this.
it takes 50
So
hours
nice
to
and clean.
Because I've been using the bag. I never changed the bag of it. I'm not joking. I never opened this.
Really? Okay, so GB.
There is a mess.
Little bit, yes.
Why's the mess?
Don't know. Okay, let's see if the bag is
We're
full.
gonna have to clean it then.
No, this is not full.
I said it kind of.
Way.
Close the dirt before it doesn't get out. There's more dirt in here. How? Let's clean it with the dusting brush. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna reassemble it. Go take it to the charging port. You know where I put it? Where?
In the other room.
Living room, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take the dusting tools off of this part. So yeah, we put it on here. Then the dusting tools. Hold it. Push on. Then the attachments. Can you give me the motor, please? The motor, I'll try to do it. So that's what we're gonna have to do.
Why do you have the battery in your hand, darling?
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. This is gonna stay here.
Why?
Because, yeah, it stays there.
Mm.
And then, I'm not sure how long it charges.
That's it.
No, it's not. If it's red, that means it's dead.
Oh, it's dead.
You know it does this on purpose. I'm not joking.
Why?
You know when I just turn on once and then I put on charge, it says red. So what does that mean?
I don't know, man.
But it's still fine. We can use it.
Okay.
So
where are you going? Where are you going now?
I'm going to pick up my next customer.
Next customer? Robot?
You can see on the back of me. You don't fit. Okay, I'll just show you.
Oh my goodness. Okay guys, we're gonna end the vlog now because GB is about to break the Hoover.
Bye-bye.
Bye.